Hi guys, today I am going to channel my inner Martha Stewart and show you a good thing. Lots of you have asked about how to put a ribbon bookmark into your planner. I have my personal planner here and I have a ribbon bookmark. You can see I have two strands. I'm going to show you how I fold this and how I put it together so that you can do the same thing in your planner. So I'm going to start by taking this out. Okay, so first I have a piece of ribbon. This is about, I think this is maybe about 18 inches long. Let me see. It's about 24 inches long, and actually my ribbon's kind of thick. It's about an inch, no, about 3/4 of an inch thick. You could use a thinner ribbon. I would actually say that might be more ideal. Something between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch might work great. The ribbon I'm using is more of a dressmaker's ribbon, so it has a more finished edge on the edge of it, so it will not fray very easily. So you might look for a ribbon with a finished edge as opposed to just maybe like a gift wrap ribbon. Okay, so I would do, if I was to recut this ribbon, I would do one a little bit longer, maybe about 26 inches. So you're gonna fold it in half like this, and then you're going to take your planner of choice. So I have my week on one page planner here, and I also have, I'm gonna show you first on my daily wellness tracker, because it's a little bit easier to see what happens on the spine. So I've got my ribbon folded in half. I'm gonna take that loop and I'm going to stick it through right there. So I have half a loop right there, and then my tails right here. Then I'm going to wrap the tails around and insert them into that loop, kind of tighten it. I don't want to pull it too tight because you see I just kind of pulled my rings up right there. Fortunately, those rings are really flexible and you can adjust them if you need to. And then I can flip my ribbon bookmark over here, and I've got one here. I have two bookmarks I can use. I can use one here and one here. See that? Ribbon bookmark, really awesome, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you, it's a little bit harder to see, but now that I've shown you the basics of it, I'm going to show you how I do it in my week on one page planner that has both the spiral binding and the book spine. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this out right here, and got my planner, my spirals. You don't have to fold your planner all the way back like this. I kind of work my planner like this. When you get your brand new planner, it might be stiff, but I like to fold mine back over time. I just kind of work it. So once again, I'll fold my ribbon in half, stick this loop part through that top spiral, top piece of spiral, and then I'm going to grab the two tails, pull them through the loop, and then I have got two ribbon tails. So now that this is here, I can kind of decide where to put my bookmarks. So here I've got a monthly overview, and then I might do my weekly overview as well. So when I pick up my planner, go to plan my day, I can quickly turn to where I need. I also use a lot of my list sections in the front and the back. In fact, my list section in the back of my current planner is pretty much full, so I will be starting a new planner for 2021. Also, just because it's 2021. Like, never have we ever been so excited to start a new year in our entire in all of humanity, I don't think. So we're gearing up for a super fun January 2021 with our new ribbon bookmarks. It's a good thing.